This week in American history, we explore power and who holds it. From Texas declaring independence, to the first Congress putting the Constitution into motion, to the marchers in Selma demanding voting rights.
On March 2nd, 1836, delegates gathered at Washington on the Brazos and signed the Texas Declaration of Independence from Mexico. After Mexico won independence from Spain, it encouraged settlement in Texas. Thousands of settlers arrived from the United States. Many brought enslaved people, even as Mexico moved to restrict slavery. Political tensions intensified when Mexico shifted from a federal system to a more centralized government under President Antonio López de Santa Anna. Many settlers opposed that change. They wanted local authority, protection of slavery, and greater political representation. Fighting began in late 1835. 4 days after the declaration, Mexican forces defeated Texan defenders at the Battle of the Alamo. But in April 1836, Texan forces defeated and captured Santa Anna at the Battle of San Jacinto. Texas declared itself an independent republic. Sam Houston was elected its first president. In 1845, the United States annexed Texas. The decision to declare independence reshaped borders and intensified national debates over expansion and slavery that would continue for decades. On March 4th, 1789, the first United States Congress met in New York City and declared the Constitution in effect. The Articles of Confederation had proven too weak to manage national debt, interstate disputes, and foreign policy. The Constitution created a stronger federal framework with separate legislative, executive, and judicial branches. March 4th became the official start date of the new government. For more than a century, presidents were inaugurated on that date, including George Washington. But elections were held in November. That created a 4-month gap before newly elected officials took office. In 1933, the 20th Amendment shortened that transition period. Presidential inaugurations moved to January 20th. March 4th, 1789 marked the operational beginning of the constitutional system that still structures American government today. On March 7, 1965, civil rights marchers attempted to cross the Edmund Pettus Bridge in Selma, Alabama, demanding equal voting rights. Although the 15th Amendment prohibited racial discrimination in voting, many states used literacy tests, poll taxes, and intimidation to prevent black citizens from registering. As marchers crossed the bridge, state troopers and local officers attacked them with clubs and tear gas. The violence was broadcast nationwide. Public reaction intensified pressure on Congress. In August 1965, the Voting Rights Act was signed into law, strengthening federal protection of voting rights. Bloody Sunday demonstrated how protest, media coverage, and federal authority could intersect to expand civil rights.
Those were 3 moments from different centuries, 3 different struggles over power. Next week, 3 more moments that shaped America.